Okay guys, back with another video, Random Sunny here. So due to obviously the pandemic, everybody's buying clippers, everybody's getting their hair cut at home. Obviously it's a struggle for a lot of people at the moment, which is fine. All I could obviously say is stay safe, stay at home, and do what we can all do what we can do to keep ourselves safe and keep others safe as well. Okay, so every little helps, all right? So I've obviously been seeing some reviews. I needed a pair of clippers to get my hair cut at home. So I thought, so I started looking at some reviews, came across these. SURKER K7Ss. I bought them from eBay, cost me £32, which is fantastic on price wise because they're cordless, they've got an LED display, and they're gold. So, and I'm not a barber, so obviously just the feel on them, they feel fantastic. I'm not a professional barber, like I said, so I won't be using them in on a professional aspect of it. So yeah, awesome. So I thought I'd just quickly show you what's going to come in a box if you do order them, and what to expect. So they come in a box like this, which obviously has got some details and stuff on the box. Tells you what model number it is. It's got an LED display, which explains here at the bottom. Tells you obviously when you need to order a blade and when the thing needs recharging. Obviously high carbon steel blades on the back, and just some various descriptions on the box. And it comes with 6 guards, which is quite nice. Okay, and then obviously inside that would come the casing, which obviously everything sits in. I've taken it out, put it out here just so you can see everything. So it'd come with a charger, USB charger, which is quite nice as well. It feels quite high quality. I have charged it already. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. Obviously you've got your USB connector wire, which will connect into the bottom of there. You can use it wired, and you can use it cordless, which is quite a nice aspect as well. Obviously oil to just maintain the blades and stuff, which is good. You've got a little cleaner just to keep them clean, and then you've got 6 blades. So the 6 blades is where it gets quite interesting. So a lot of the UK hair clippers that will come, they'll probably come with a 1, 2, 3 and 4, and a lot of Americans obviously and professional barbers use the 1/6 guard and the 1.5, and this will come with it inside. So that was a big thing for me, because obviously everybody's watching these videos, how to cut hair online, because obviously the pandemic, and they're just trying to get by. So these obviously, majority of the people that are going to watch them videos, they're probably using these 2 guards here. So having them in there is quite a good thing. So overall, just to the clipper itself, it's got a lovely weight to it. So, it feels nice in your hand, all metal, adjustable lever feels great. It feels stiff. It feels high quality. If no one said to me how much these were, I'd probably say around £80, £90, because I wouldn't know. I'm not a barber, so I wouldn't know how much they would be. But they feel great. They look great. So overall, it's got some grooves in the back, so obviously where you need to put your fingers and hold it in place. It's got a lovely grip to the back. It's obviously got the hook for if you're hooking them in your barber shop. But awesome, just like obviously, and that's a full charge. I've charged it as well. I've had one haircut with it myself, and it only went down to 90. So overall, quite good. Not too loud. I really like them. So yeah, so that's basically what you'd expect if you were looking to buy these on Amazon. I believe they're 3rd, so a lot of people are probably going to be seeing them, and they probably will come on YouTube, and hopefully they'll click onto this video and they'll be able to see what to expect. So yeah, that's what you're going to get in the box. Obviously a lot of the high branded clippers, they don't come with LED displays and stuff like that, and a lot of them don't come cordless. They are moving towards a cordless side things now, but having that there is a big plus for me. So that, and having a USB charger, it's great. I think it's fantastic. So yeah, if you're looking to get some, I'd probably give them an 8 out of 10. Only reason I'm not giving 10 out of 10 is because I haven't used them long enough, and for what they've done, you know, it is what is in the box. To be honest, it's a cordless clipper, really good design, feels really high quality, and you know, throughout the haircut today, you know, felt great. No pulling of the hair or anything like that. It was smooth, and it was quite nice. So yeah, if you're looking to get some, I would recommend them. Obviously, like I said, only had them a limited amount of time. Grab yourself a pair, and hope you get on well with them. So yeah, so give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy, people. Take care.